Hello everybody. So now let's create the base in Kotlin. I already show you the base in Java, so let's go to do the same in Kotlin. So let's create the package, use new models, repository, and why not the model not used inside, but okay. That's it. So in views, let's create the package for activities. So let's show in Explorer. That's it. Let's create the package fragments. Okay. Now we've got the package. So let's place main activity in activities. Okay. And now let's create the main application. Main application. Oops. Okay. Oh, just a mistake. So let's do the refactor. Like this is better. Okay. So extend application. That's it. Right. So let's implement on create. That's it. And the companion object. So let's do the companion side. So get synchronized. Right, that's it. So later into our instance application, main application, and private set. And let's do the same inside. So to init instance application equal this. So don't forget to place the application, main application inside the Android manifest. So name main application. Okay. Right. So now let's create the repository class. So rename repository. You can put the name as you want, of course. And let's create the singleton in Kotlin. Companion object, private var instance, excuse me, instance, rename repository, equal null, and get instance equal instance. That's null rename repository dot also instance equal at. Okay, as the same in Java, let's place a simple method fun get string and return string, return picking them. Sorry. That's it. So now let's create the main activity view model. So in package view model, so new Kotlin class, main activity view model, Okay, that's it. So private val rename repository inside, and of course main application. Why not? And implement Android view model main application. Let's do the same as in Java. So let's put the method to get string and return name repository to get string. That's it for the main activity view model. Now let's create the view model factory in Kotlin. So view model factory, okay, and let's implement view model provider dot factory. Let's implement the method and alt enter. Okay, that's it. Let's create the companion object, private var instance view model factory if null a and get instance equal instance view model factory. That's it. That also instance equal it inside. So let's create. So if model class dot is senior sign my an activity view model dot class Java return main activity view model. Yes, we can put this inside like this. It's better. So return main activity view model, and inside we had to put rename repository, get instance, and the main application instance application. So as T. Yes, to suppress this warning, we can do like this, suppress like this, and check cost. That's it. And don't forget to throw illegal exception, excuse me. So view model is not assignable in view model factory. This will be better like this. That's it. Okay, now we just have to use this in our main activity. So in main activity, at late init var main activity view model and main activity view model recall view model provider. This view model factory dot get instance dot get class main activity view model dot class. Okay, so as the same in Java, so log e get string to see, and let's see main activity dot get string. That's it. Okay, so everything as in Java, don't forget to place the information here, but not in Java, the dependency, excuse me, but in Kotlin. Okay, so we can copy this. It's not necessary, but it's really recommended. Okay, so like this, so let's replace this to, I prefer to place the version 0 and the same here, and I can delete this. That's it. Yes, you can sync and apply suggestion like this. So as we have done the same in Java, let's have a look on the logcat. Let's have a look. So let's run. And that's it. You have the picking name. So you've got the method inside the repository and inside the view model. Okay, so see you soon. Bye bye.